Are you tired of guessing in the markets and paying for every wrong move? Welcome to the future of trading, with a Forex robot designed to protect you first and grow you second. This tool was built for people who are done with panic, screen watching, and blown accounts. Inside this robot is a proven strategy that combines scalping, DCA, candlestick analysis, and hedging, all structured in proprietary logic that's designed to help you stay in control. But here's what really makes it powerful. Two built-in safety features that act like seatbelts for your capital. The first is hedge mode. It lets you lock in your trades when the market goes crazy. You can cool things off, and when the time's right, you remove the hedge and carry on. The second is the equity protector, or EP. You set your risk limit, like 10%. If things dip below that, the bot closes all trades and protects what's left. Stop losses can fail. Gaps happen. But EP doesn't guess, it acts. This isn't just automation. It's safety, it's structure, and it's a system you can rely on. If you're serious about automating your trading, and you don't want to blow your account in the process, click below. Visit forexrobots.co.za to learn more and see the live results. Let's trade smarter. Let's protect what matters.